This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the new VacDaddy battery, and this will allow you to use a VacDaddy with the battery, so there's no need to plug it in. So if you have service accounts where you can't plug in the VacDaddy, this battery will be a great option. And having this battery will allow you to use the VacDaddy anywhere. It's rated for 2 hours of runtime, and the battery weighs about 15 pounds, so it is fairly lightweight. And this is a Ternary lithium battery, also known as a lithium nickel cobalt manganese battery. And this is a very stable battery that has a very long lifespan. Included is this dedicated charger for the battery, and this battery will fully charge in 3 hours. And on the front is this port, and you will simply plug the VacDaddy in. Once you turn it, it'll activate the VacDaddy. There's a nice handle on top of the battery, and also this shoulder carrying strap. So again, having this battery is going to make the VacDaddy that much more versatile. So the VacDaddy battery is just another great accessory that will take the VacDaddy to the next level. And it's really easy to transport the VacDaddy back to your stops with the battery. With the VacCaddy, you can, of course, carry the VacDaddy and all the accessories there. And then the shoulder strap with the battery is a great and easy way to carry that back to the stop as well. There's also a shallow water adapter now available, and this will allow you to use the VacDaddy to vacuum out spas, fountains, and other small bodies of water. The VacDaddy will work in as little as 8 inches of water now, and I think one of the things that makes the VacDaddy the most versatile portable vacuum, turn the VacDaddy into a portable waste pump, and it's a great way to clean up green pools or pools with a lot of dirt without having to drag a portable pump to the stop. And if you do a lot of cleanups in your area, or if you have a lot of dust storms, the vacuum to waste adapter is something that you're going to really find helpful out on your pool route. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.